Hello, today I would like to share an example of how to use pivot function in SQL Server. I'm going to use Adventure World database for this demo. We will analyze the relationship between days to manufacture and the average cost of the product, which is in the dim product table. There are three parts in this SQL script. The part one is the source query. Part two is how we are going to aggregate the cost to different days, 0 to 4 days. And part three is how we were going to output the column by different day. Now let's look at the source information by running the part one. I'm going to copy the result to an Excel file to create Excel pivot. Insert the pivot table. Drag the days to manufacture to the column. Drag the standard cost to the value. Change the summary to be average and the number format to be 1 decimal point. Remove the total. So we can see on average, if it's 1 day manufactured, the cost is 19.4 and 4 days up to $906. I'm going to take a snapshot of this for later on comparison. Let's get back to the SQL. If I run this query, the result looks like this, which is similar to what we have in Excel. To use the SQL pivot table properly, it is suggested to have proper code indentation and the comments. Improving SQL code readability is always important, especially when we need to debug the code. I hope you find these tips useful. Don't forget to click subscribe and leave your comments if you like it.